What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to create loop video in Premiere Pro. Okay, so once you got your video here, what you want to do is just put the cursor right at the end right here. Okay, and then click on the video, which is this one. I'm sorry, it was this one. Okay, punch it there again. Same thing for this one right here, right at the end. Okay, and then you grab the video again from here, and then you just take it here, drag it here, and then that's it. You see, the video is gonna loop, and then it'll just start again. And you can just do that over and over and over, and then that's how you loop a video in Premiere Pro. Quick, easy, and simple. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.